welcome to Gonna Guitar. Diddy featuring Bryson TILLER, the song called Gotta Move On. So a great easy song, only 3 chords, same strumming pattern. Let's start this. We have a capo here on the 2nd fret and 3 easy chords. We have first the E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Yeah, easy start with E minor. Next chord will be B minor. So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor, and the final chord will be C major 7, so like this. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. So there you have it, E minor to B minor to C major 7 through the entire song. That's the chord progression. Okay, so the challenging part here will actually be the rhythm. We'll look at the strumming pattern. It's pretty easy, but the rhythm here is what we're gonna practice. Okay, so let's look at one chord here. We'll take the C major 7 for obvious reasons, why I'm gonna tell you later, but we're gonna look at the C major 7 for learning this strumming pattern, okay? So one round is like this. Alright, so that is down, down, up, clap, down, 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 and that's it, okay? So down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Alright, so it's not that hard, it's down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, down. Alright, so that is how we're gonna play the strumming. Now, we didn't start with the E minor, even if that is the first chord, because in the end of the strumming pattern for E minor, there will be a split there. So we'll not play a full round of this strumming pattern for E minor. So that's the reason why we didn't start with the E minor. Because in the end, we're gonna split this and go over to B minor. And you're gonna play with E minor everything except from the last down. So for E minor, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down, down. Alright, so not the 2 downs in the end, just the first down in the end there. And the 2nd down will be covered by B minor. So you make a quick transition there from E minor to B minor. So the transition here, one full round of the strumming will be like this, a little bit slower. Alright, so that is one strumming round, and the last down in this strumming round will be covered by B minor. So again, and when you play this B minor, you have naturally a short break, and then starts the next strumming round, and that is what you're gonna do for B minor. So you play the last down, starting with B minor in the first strumming round, and then you fulfill another strumming round for B minor. So to summarize this, the E minor and B minor part will sound like this. Alright, so almost one full strumming on E minor except from the last down. There you're gonna start with the B minor, and then you're gonna fulfill another round of the strumming for B minor. After that, you change to the C major 7 and play 2 full strumming rounds. So that is one chord progression there, and that could work for the entire song. All right, so I'm gonna give you this slowly: E minor, B minor, and C major 7. Let's go. Just small extra thing here, in the end of the C major 7 you could play this short little melody here. Okay, so you're gonna play, instead of the 2 last downs on the second round, since you're playing this strumming for 2 rounds, on the second round you just skip the last 2 rounds and instead you play this melody. This is optional, it works as a kind of transition to the next chord progression round. So you find these notes here on the E string, starting with 3rd fret E string, then 2nd fret E string, 3rd fret B string, and open B string. So if you choose to play this, the C will sound like this, a little bit slower, 2 rounds. So that pretty much covers Diddy featuring Bryson Taylor's Gotta Move On. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, let me know. Show some love, thumb up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, why not, and play tuned.